Hey everyone, in today's quick Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache in Adobe Photoshop to free up RAM and improve performance, especially if Photoshop starts slowing down, freezing, or lagging during heavy projects. If that sounds useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is opening the Purge menu inside Photoshop. This built-in option allows you to quickly remove temporary cached data that builds up while you work on files. To do this, move your cursor to the top menu, click Edit, then scroll down until you see the option called Purge. When you hover over it, you will see several different clearing options. Photoshop lets you clear different types of cache, including the clipboard, your history states, or everything at once. The clipboard removes copied image data, histories remove stored, undo steps, and the All option clears every temporary cache. For the fastest cleanup, simply click All in the Purge menu. This immediately deletes all temporary cache data currently stored by Photoshop. Just remember, this action cannot be undone because Photoshop permanently removes those history states and cached files. After clearing the cache, you should notice Photoshop using less memory, which can help improve speed, stability, and overall performance. And that's how to clear the Photoshop cache quickly. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and check the channel for more Photoshop tips.